I was like the couch potato for a while, and then all of a sudden I was the get up and go girl again. My entire life I've always played sports. I played basketball and softball in college and coached basketball and softball until in my 40s, and then I quit. And then I was like, what do I do now? And so I just picked this up and ran with it because I'm very competitive. So this right here was really good for a competitive person. I know that Thrive has changed my life, but actually my whole community knows that Thrive has changed my life because now I'm the Thrive girl in small town Kentucky. Everybody comes to me, you know, and wants to, what are you doing? What are you doing? How are you doing all the things that you do and all that? So I mean, it's changed my whole community, to be honest. I mean, at this point, at 51 years old, Thrive means life to me. It really, really does. It's how you want to live your life now at 51 and, you know, throughout the rest of your life. I just want to be healthy. I want to be happy, and Thrive makes me healthy and happy. And I have, you know, with this, in this community, you have friends, you have events constantly, and I love to be on the go, and I like social events, so it is actually just life, is what it is.